It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion at most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. We have our 8th part of the NPHC inspired nail look series, and in this video our organization is Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated. I am at this point trying to mix up a color to match their colors, and of course I'm going to be using some of the royal blue that I have used in some previous videos. After I mix that color, I'm going to apply it to 3 of the nails. And now I'm going to apply the royal blue on the last 2. And for this look, I'm going to be using some of my gold glitter and some gold rhinestones. So the kind of gold that I was going for wasn't like a gold. It had kind of more of like a not mustard feel, but kind of like a little bit more yellow than mustard, but it kind of had that undertone, but it wasn't like the bright gold color. That's why I mixed 2 colors so that I can try to get as close to that color as I could. So if you are, trying to make a color or something, the same way you can mix like your acrylic paints and things like that, you can definitely mix your gel polishes if you didn't know that. After I get them all cured for this gold yellow color, I did go in with 3 coats just to make sure that it was built up, nice enough. Then I'm going to start going in with my designs. So for the blue nails, I'm going to take that color that I mixed together and I'm going to put it on the corners of these nails and dip it into my carrots glitter. And because that blue was still tacky, the glitter is sticking pretty much all over the nail. But after I cure it, I am going to go in and remove that glitter from the middle part of the nail. For this nail, I decided to dip the whole thing in the carrots glitter. And of course, I'm just going to press it down, make sure it's flat, because I will be top coating and I want everything to be nice and flat. For this nail and the thumbnail, I decided to go in with some of the blue rhinestones in a diagonal line. And to apply this, I'm using that gem gel, and I'm just applying a layer of this over the entire nail, and then I am laying my rhinestones and then shifting them into the diagonal that I like, and then I'm going to immediately pop it in the lamp. Now to clean this up, I'm going in with a lint-free wipe. And if some of the glitter is removed, I'm going to go back and do another layer. But for this nail, everything was pretty great, so I just went ahead and added my gold rhinestones in the middle. The top coat that I'm going to be using is the Beetles Top It Off, and this is a no wipe top coat, so after you put it on there, it does not have a tacky layer or anything, and you are ready to go. So I hope you guys love this. I really do like this look. I would love to try it with a different color scheme. If you know any members of Sigma Gamma Rho Sorority Incorporated, definitely share this video with them and let me know if you will rock this, if you are a fan of blue and gold. Make sure that you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Always remember to keep God first, family second, and career third. And it's a wrap. I will see you guys in the next video.
It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to ItzSirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore. It's a one-stop shop, it's a wrap, yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.